This is Southern Roofing and Renovations. We're at 601 Carolyn Court, Birmingham, Alabama 35206. Claim number 074-985-8006. And we will be doing a repair on this wing crease damaged shingle. All right, we'll have to go 2 layers up here. As you can see, the roof is in a rough shape. We also made a test square over there for later to make sure that side is untouched. And we will begin this repair attempt. The nails are overdriven. Kind of hard to get them out. We also use larger nails. These are probably 2-inch nails. Because this is a 3-layer roof currently. And they overdrove the nails to make sure the nails are at least into the decking. You can see right underneath here, you can see the multiple layers. There's one right there, and you can see another one right underneath that. All right, so this is the second layer right here, and down here, that's that first layer that's underneath it. So in total, it's 3 layers right here. We'll be creating this repair with the Owens Corning Supreme 3-tab. Right. Currently, the shingles that are on the top layer are 20-year shingles. This is a 25-year 3-tab shingle. It's going to be a little bigger. Yeah, it's going to be the exposure is a little bigger than it is on the previous one. I'll try to match it as best as I can. Show how much I have to lift up the shingle to make sure to get the nail in on the same level as it was before. Right there. nails were overdriven because it's not connecting to the decking. As you can see, the state of the roof, and do some light swiping on top of the shingles. And without me doing that, you can clearly see where the damage is from the repair. It is currently on every single shingle that had to be manipulated to install that shingle correctly. All right, I will also do some hard swiping on this test square to show that just swiping does not cause creasing. All right. Except from this repair, you can see where the creases are because of those creases that were created due to the repair. It's in Southern Roofing Renovation's professional opinion that this roof receives a failing grade for the repair. We will upload this to Planes. Thank you. Please review it and have a nice day.